Obiora Okonkwo joined other worshippers at the chapel of the Good Shepherd Retreat Center in Awka to participate in the annual seminar of the Catholic Laity Council of Nigeria. As a dedicated Catholic who has served in various capacities for many years, the Zenith Labour Party candidate was honored by the diocese for his commitment to God and service to humanity.
Catholic Diocese of Awka Special Merit Award presented to High Chief Dr. Obiora Okonkwo, PhD, PhD, MNIP, FCP. The Duke of the Laity Council organizes for your commitment, services to God, the Church, and humanity. This 18th day of September 2021, to God be the eternal glory.
Obiora Okonkwo used the recognition to remind Anambrians of the task ahead of them in the forthcoming governorship election in the state.
Politics in itself is not bad. It's just that bad people are in politics, so some people easily refer to politics as being bad. So I had urged them to wake up and take advantage of the coming election on November 6th to join the people of Anambra State to choose the right leader, because leadership can make a whole lot of difference in all the things we are going here. Actualizing that, we have to partner with the church of all faith, of all denomination. They have a very strong and important role to play. So that is the partnership we will continue to have with the church. And this is the Diocese of Awka. It's one of the dioceses in Anambra State. We have been good friends to this diocese, and I'm glad that we are being honored today with the highest award they have.
The ZLP flag bearer also spoke about plans to entrench high ethical values among the people, especially young Anambarians.
It is in line with our 10-point agenda, where we had outlined as one of the cardinal points that we should rebuild our vertical infrastructure, which is simply value orientation. One way we have to do it also is to reintroduce religious instruction, which was struck out of the curriculum of schools here in 1970. It has really been a thing we need in this society. And again, we should introduce a new curriculum, which is called humanitarian studies. We must have to learn the need to coexist with one another and be of help. So these are the kind of things we are going to bring in to support this our point of ethical infrastructure reconstruction.
Obiora Okonkwo also visited Nnobi in Indemili South local government area of Anambra State, where his supporters pledged to work for the victory of the Zenith Labour Party.
We are going to vote for him. I'm telling you, I've told him we don't have structures here. But from today, we are going to build a wonderful structure for him in Nnobi here. I tell you, from today onwards, anytime he wants to do something, he should invite us. Anywhere he's going to, we'll be behind him. He's our own brother. Forgetting him just tomorrow, when you vote them in, they will not listen to you again.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.